Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing replacement water with the API conditioner ready to use. Dose 1 cap of conditioner per 10 gallons of new water before adding it. This removes chlorine and neutralizes chloramine quickly and safely for fish. Test ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate with an API test kit before finalizing the water change. If any parameter is above safe levels, perform a 25% water change and retest after 30 minutes. Add replacement water slowly to avoid stressing fish and maintain stable temperature conditions in the tank. Establish a weekly routine to keep aquarium water stable and healthy. Perform a 25% water change weekly to reduce toxins and recharge minerals for aquatic life. Use an API test kit to monitor pH, nitrite, nitrate, and ammonia weekly and log results to notice trends. Vacuum gravel during the change to remove debris and excess food without disturbing beneficial bacteria. Clean 50% of filter media by rinsing in old tank water, not tap water, to preserve microbial colonies and maintain biological filtration strength. Address problems quickly to protect your fish and plants from harm. If ammonia spikes above 0.25 ppm, perform an immediate 50% water change and retest after 30 minutes. Use API Quick Start when cycling a new tank to seed beneficial bacteria and stabilize biological filtration faster. For pH adjustments, change conditions slowly and aim for 1/10 pH unit per day to avoid stressing fish. Keep a consistent feeding schedule and avoid overfeeding to limit nitrate buildup and reduce maintenance needs over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.